Hi friends, how you can create this kind of bar chart in very quick way and how you can change the design. See, there is a lot of designs is there. You can change it as which type you need like that. See, a lot of information automatically it will be added in Excel sheet. I will show you from the scratch how you can do this one. In order to that, for example, you have, for example, some people's names, marks, everything. For example, his earned marks is this much. For example, this much is earned mark out of 100, like that. So you want to make a bar chart on this. So what you will do, select on this one, and here insert, go to insert, and here you can find there is a bar chart symbol, you can find it over there. Click on that, select any bar chart like that. So you will get it directly over there. So after that, you can select this chart and you can select this one, or any detailed report like this you need. So you can do like that and you can click OK. And for example, if you want to add some, extra details like, the figure you want to come over, you want to put the figure, this figure you want to mention over here also, that also possible. Just click on right click and add labels. See, the figure is already coming over here. So this is the thing. So here you can make this kind of chart, and if you can double click over here and for example, mark sheet 10th standard. For example, like that, you can make the title and you can give the printout. And here also, if you want to make some typing, you can change and for example, achieved. Yeah, marks. Achieved marks you can mention. Over here, again, if you want to make some changes, or you can expand like that, as much you wish. And if you want to make the design again like that, once you move around over here in the quick layout, automatically you will see a lot of designs over here. But I like this one very nicely because there is a information box is coming over here. That's the reason. So this is the tutorial today. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you. Bye-bye.